Hi all, welcome to the lecture series of Universal Human Values, and this is Swetha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering, RMD Engineering College. Yes, uh, today we will see about the role of education sanskar and how it helps human being to live within a human consciousness. So first, there is a difference between animal consciousness and human consciousness. Okay, so we are having the three things here. What's that is right understanding, relationship, and physical facility. Okay, in animal consciousness, the human being doesn't know how to prioritize. Okay, in human consciousness, they know how to prioritize. For knowing about the prioritized thing, we need the help of the education sanskar. So, in last lectures, we have seen more about education, right? Education is developing the right understanding. And what is sanskar here? The sanskar is nothing but it's the commitment, preparation, and practicing of living with the right understanding. The preparation includes learning appropriate skills and technology. To live within human consciousness, the role of education is the important thing. The role of education is to facilitate the development of the competence to live with human consciousness with definite human contact. Okay, so for this, the education sanskar has to ensure that right understanding in every child and capacity to live in a relationship with other human being and the capacity to identify the need for physical facility and the skills and the practice and for sustainable production of more than what is required and leading to the feeling of the prosperity. So we can take on an example that one of my colleagues shared to me. That is that he said that I was having a discussion with the final year students. That he was having discussion with the final year students of a very well known institute, and he said that he asked the student about the expectation after their graduation. Okay, so one of the student from there, he said that the number one is good job with high package salary, that is good salary, and second, number two is job satisfaction. Okay, this is what that student were saying. Okay, so now we can see that they were prioritizing physical facility first. Okay, we are not saying them to prioritize right understanding with the relationship first. Okay, they were prioritizing physical facility first. Okay, for that only education provides through the leadership and direction to the society through the preparation of the individuals. So the long-term potential of the human education sanskar is, first one is right understanding in every child. By facilitating the development of the right understanding, it will lead to living in a human consciousness. Okay, this is the first one. And yes, what is right understanding first? The right understanding is nothing but understanding harmony in human being. That is understanding harmony in himself or herself. That is individual level, and understanding harmony in the family, and understanding harmony in the society, and in the nature or existence. Okay, so next one is that relationship. The second one is the capacity to live in the relationship. By facilitating the capacity to live in the relationship with the mutual happiness or justice in the relationship with other human being. Okay, so the term called as mutual happiness. If you are happy, you have to think that the person behind me also want to be happy. Okay, that is mutual happiness. You are sharing your happiness with others. Okay, that is mutual happiness. And then uh, we have to ensure harmony in the family also, and then harmony will extend to the larger family, that is nothing but the society, and it to the nature or existence. Okay, so this is the relationship. And next one is nature sorry what is it physical facility. Okay, so the capacity is to identify the need for physical facility. For example, if you are asking me means in 2 or 3 years I want to buy a car. In 3 to 5 years I want to buy a new house for me. Okay, I am running behind the physical facility, not with a relationship. If we are running behind the physical facility, it leads to what we will forget our relationship. Okay, if we are running behind the physical facility, that what they were saying here, the capacity to identify the need for physical facility for to live in this society, or to live in this world, we can take it as world. To live in this world, the basic need is that food, water, shelter, or clothes. These are the basic needs, but we are running behind the physical facility to have what is it, practice for sustainable production for more that what is required, leading to the feeling of prosperity. That is, we all want to live a wealthier life only. We are not going for the basic life, we are going for the wealthier life. Okay, so a mindset of the production through the labor and of the right utilization of the physical facility, and this will ensure harmonious family order and the extend beyond the family order through the participation by the family members in the larger extent societal system. Okay, if you are having more than what you need means we have to share that, that is called then mutual prosperity. Okay, so we got the concept of right understanding, relationship, and physical facility, right? Thank you.